Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing any running instances and background apps that might lock files, because locked files block recovery. Once done, open Steam and sign in with the account that owns the game. This ensures cloud and license alignment. Next, go straight to Library, find the game, and right-click to Open Properties. This is where you access the tool that will require missing or corrupted files. You're initiating the only reliable Steam-side repair path. Now, in Properties, navigate to Local Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This is the core action. Steam will scan every installed file and compare checksums to its manifest, so let it run without interruption. This can take several minutes or longer for large games. Once the scan completes, Steam queues and downloads any missing or mismatched files automatically, replacing only the problematic items instead of redownloading the entire game. Make sure after verification finishes, restart Steam and launch the game to confirm the issue is resolved. This completes the requisition flow. If problems persist, clear Steam's download cache or opt into the Steam beta client to rule out client bugs, because sometimes client state blocks proper file replacement. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the game, but first backup save files to Steam Cloud or a local folder so you don't lose progress. That covers the only Steam-approved recovery path and one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.